Hey guys, today we're spicing up our classic fudgy brownies with Dulce de Leche caramel. These easy to make brownies are not just tasty but also attractively handsome, so they will sure be able to wow any party. Let's make them, shall we? Preheat oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium-high heat, we then throw in 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil to add extra moistness, 1/4 cup of sugar, 6 tablespoons of regular cocoa powder, and 5 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder. This gives our brownies the deep, dark, appealing color. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of espresso powder. This secret ingredient helps intensify the chocolate flavor. While waiting for the butter to melt, prepare our 9-inch square pan by greasing it with cooking spray, then line with a parchment paper. Give our mixture a stir occasionally so it won't get burned. Reduce heat if necessary. Remove from heat once the butter is melted. We then add in 2 large eggs. Make sure to keep them cold in the fridge until now. Break and stir the eggs until they are not visible. Now we add in 3 last ingredients: half cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir until flour is no longer visible, and now our batter is ready. Spray the bottom of the pan before pouring in half of the batter. Spread it out with a spatula. Now time to drop in our Dulce de Leche caramel. We can easily do that with a spoon and spatula. It takes about half can of the caramel. Cover with the rest of the brownie batter. Top with some more blobs of the caramel. Use a fork to brush them out on the top, and it's ready for the baking. We want to bake until toothpick test comes out almost clean, which takes about 22 to 27 minutes. The more undercooked, the fudgier they get, so keep that in mind for what you really want from your brownies. Lift the brownies out, then let them cool down completely before cutting. To have clean cut, you may grease the knife with cooking spray often during cutting, or you can also flash freeze your brownies before cutting them. I hope you give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye for now.